Welcome, and this is Kevin F. Do a really short Screencast-O-Matic video of Screencast-O-Matic and how to get it from the Rockford site. To start with, you're going to be going to the screencast-o-matic.com/Rockford. The link should have been sent to you earlier. We can resend it to you if you need. As we come down to here, if you're in, you will know that you're into the correct area because it will say Rockford Area Schools here. You have two pretty much options you're going to usually be working with. The first one is Start Recorder, and that will start the web version of your recorder. You can simply click on that. If you have Java installed on your machine, it will simply go right to the web recorder for you right away. If you don't have Java, it will download the launcher. When the launcher is done, in the lower left corner down here, you're going to see a green flag pop up, and that green flag is going to say use the launcher.exe file. Don't click the green flag. Click the little launcher icon that's in the lower left of your Chrome browser that it's pointing to. If for some reason you get a lot of host not found sites or error messages, then you're going to want to download and install a local copy on your computer, and you can then start that local copy up, run that, and it's going to reduce the amount of bandwidth that your machine is using to do the recording. Once you have both of those started, you'll have a recorder come up. You'll have a grid that would be black and white that you're going to size to where you want to be. And a couple quick things to just remember. We recommend that for screens and recording that you select both. So record both the screen and a webcam of you talking. That makes a huge difference for the students to actually see your face while you're talking and help that connection stay with you or with them. The second part is remember to turn on narration. And narration is how the microphone is turned on for your computer. So then when you're talking, it's actually going to record what you say. I will send some links to some how-to sites that talk about how to use Screencast-O-Matic. And if you have any questions on that, please don't feel bad about just emailing me, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you. Have a great day.